We are at 8226 Southeast 41st Street in Mercer Island. We are going to do a post-jetting video going from the exterior cleanout located in backyard. So I'm going to go out. Camera will only let me push out about 140 feet, but you'll see that we got the primary roots on the way down. You'll see just hairline roots that the jetter couldn't necessarily cut, but they're not problematic, like that one. There were roots at almost every junction, but we were able to extract it. That's just residue. Roots completely covered this entire pipe, so as you can see, we were able to cut out every one that could potentially cause backup. It's just debris, hairlines. Nothing we can really do with that one. Hairline. This is a plastic transition that was most problematic. Roots were right here. We were able to cut out pretty big offset though. Another hairline, nothing you can really do. Pretty big roots growing through this junction as well. Hairline. And then we go into city.